I decided to record some case studies, how to create film about the architecture exactly, not using any people, not using any other characters, just architecture, storytelling, and different AI features. Let me add photo. Okay, let's wait for the scenario. I will wait for this picture will be ready and start next one. That's all. Yeah, I really like it. Let me save it also, save image as.
Here, the forest becomes part of every day.
So let's start animate it. I really like it. I don't need that part, but I will use just first a few seconds. Important thing to understand, we need to generate a little longer shot, and I have to invert it. Speed duration, I can just reverse speed, have to be about 8 megabytes. So you can go to the basic video settings and hit more. Okay, so here's 2 files. Let me check the size.
As life gets louder, I find myself searching for silence. Not emptiness, just space to think, to breathe, to be present. Here, the forest becomes part of every day. This house isn't an escape. It's a return to myself.
I think that's really good. So, just based on one picture, we've done this animation in a little more than 1 hour.